here at this International Harvester Museum. And you know, if you've followed this channel for some time, if you're new, you might not have seen so much of it, but if you've been with this channel for a while, you know I restored Cub Cadets, the old early narrow frame Cub Cadets. And unfortunately they're closed, so I can only get a couple of peeks in the window. And there is a couple of Cub Cadets over here that we'll try to look at here in a minute. But yeah, there's a Farmall M. I can't quite see. What is that? Is that a C? Oh, a Farmall H over there. A 582 series. I think it's a 582. Anyway, it's an 82 series. Garden tractor. And there's some way back in there. I wonder if I can get my zoom lens out and see back in there further. We'll try that in a minute, but oh, and a service counter over here on the left. Probably IH books and parts, new old stock. And you probably don't know if you can see that or not, but up on a shelf is some International Harvester toy, you know, pedal tractors. Pretty cool. All right, let's look over at these Cub Cadets here real quick. Okay, and I've owned at least one of each. Right, let me see if I can fight this reflection a little bit. No, not too good with these windows. But yes, I had a 70. I've had two 70s. One I just ran as is. It was a pretty nice little tractor. It didn't take much to get it going. And the other one, I don't remember. It's been a while now. You know, I know the Cub Cadet originals, I did own two of them. One of them, the same thing, it ran pretty good and didn't look too bad as I got it. And I just got it running and used it. And the other one was really bad, and I just did a custom restoration on it. Painted it red and made a couple changes to it to make it look like a Farmall Cub little brother. And then the Cub Cadet 100 I redid for my cousin, and he still has it and just uses it mainly for cart work, like getting firewood and that sort of thing. But yes, I've had one of each of all these, and too bad they weren't open. I couldn't go inside because they have a couple of freezers here, International Harvester freezers. So let me go get my zoom lens and see if we can't peek back in there a little bit better. Okay, this might actually work pretty good. The reflection's not as bad. So yeah, there's the parts counter. Oops, if I pulled away, look at the reflection there. Let me keep it up close here. Okay, let's see if we can zoom in here. Oh yeah, the toys up top. Sorry about that. Gonna be a little banging around. Yeah, I can't angle up that high. Some toys up top, and got some tractors here in the back. Let's see, come on, zoom, zoom, zoom. Yeah, it'd be nice to get back in there. Yes, it would. Alright. What's that? International Harvester air circulator. Nice. For other products up on the shelf. That's probably going to be about it here. And it's really bad from the other side. The sun. Well, wait a minute. I didn't try it with this camera. There's an old International Harvester Scout around there. Let's walk around the other side of the building. I think we can see more back there. And I think the town is, maybe I forgot, is it Millville, Pennsylvania? And this is the collectors, International Harvester Collectors Club, Chapter 17. Yeah, here in central Pennsylvania. But I think the town is actually Millville. I could be wrong. I think maybe I'll get lucky and the reflection won't be bad here. Oh, wait a minute. Let me get this monopod off of here. I don't think we're going to have too much luck here, but let's try. Alright, this is, could be better, but it's not too bad. Let's see what we can see over here. Oh, there's little tractor, there's little pedal cars. You see, I don't know what that is behind the H. Not sure what that is, but I think it has a cart or a wagon that has 3 pedal cars on it, or I'm sorry, 3 pedal tractors. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, let's see if we can see this. This is going to be a tough one here. This could be tough because the reflection is just really bad. Nothing I can do about it. Wow, I can't see what's happening. Yeah, oops, I got to back way out. I went a little crazy on the zoom accidentally. Yeah, but there's an old International Scout. I don't know my years too well, but I'm going to guess that's pretty early 60s, maybe mid 60s. And I don't know what they're mowing with back there. Yeah, we're losing focus because of the dirt on the windows. Yeah, we're traveling in my RV. I'm traveling with a buddy of mine. We're out and about, and I just happened across this place that, you know, accidentally. It was kind of on our way to somewhere else. It's kind of like finding a needle in a haystack. What the chances I just accidentally ran into this place? So that's it, I think. I wish I could have got better shots for y'all, but I wish I could have gone inside and just seen more myself, and of course that would have been better shots. I think that's all we got for this video. Alright, then give the video a thumbs up, please, and leave a comment, share the video, subscribe if you haven't already. I think that's all I got. I'll see you next time.